Morning guys, and welcome to the channel. So I'm off work today, but let me just start with saying what a beautiful morning it is today. Sun's shining, everything like that. So today we're off to Speedy Spanners Auto Centre in Stapleford to see my good friend Luke, as it's MOT time for this estate. So I'm going to take you with us and we're going to see if it passes and what happens along the way. So guys, as usual, great job by Watnell Hand Car Wash. We're off to MOT. So we're just on the way and we've bumped into a fellow ST. Lovely looking Mark 7 Fiesta ST, few modifications on it. Some nice mud flaps, spoiler extension, diffuser. Yeah, looking good. Hello to you if you're following the channel. Right guys, so fingers crossed, gone in for the MOT. In the meantime, Speedy Spanners on Facebook, Speedy Spanners Auto Centre. Give them a like and we'll see how it goes. Well then. Right guys, so we've got a result on the MOT. It passed. So yeah, it's a happy day today. The estate has passed MOT. Many thanks to Speedy Spanners Auto Centre in Stapleford don't forget to pop over to their Facebook page and give them a like. Link in the description. Also, a little bit of a teaser in the video, bumped into a Concourse XR3i, which video coming soon. So that means you need to like and subscribe this video, share the content, and I'll drop the XR3i video soon. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.